Abraham, and from YAHOSHUAH, his beloved son, and Eliab brings his words for today. There are many declarations that I'm going to speak for today from this Holy Kingdom of YAHOSHUAH. All dangers will strike your planet Earth, and you can take note down and always remember the words of Eliab. And I tell all of you humans, American, England people, Australian, French, Chinese, and whoever on this planet Earth, call your God to destroy what I'm saying here. I repeat it again. If your God is the real God, tell them to destroy my words that I gave you. From now on, that the God who sent me, the God of Abraham, He is the honor of the authority in the heaven and on the earth and everything in Him. He sent Eliab to tell and to declare these words, and from YAHOSHUAH as well, and it transferred to Eliab. And you can take notes well, because I'm going to tell it one by one, because there are many declarations, and I share it as I have planted from the honor, obviously from the honor, the God of Abraham. First, it's about the war in Iran. How is the end of the war in Iran? So you write down the end of the war in Iran. What will happen? This what will happen. You American, you will never defeat Iranian. That is never possible. You American, you will defeat Iranian. That is the words of Eliab. So I tell you, American, it's a danger for you to touch them, mainly their nuclear bomb. You cannot touch their nuclear bomb. Eliab has spoken in 2005. Come on, building your nuclear bomb, Iranian. And they have created, as I have spoken to them. That is from that YAHVAH and YAHOSHUAH. So those who touch it, they will be destroyed. I don't emphasize my words. Those who touch it, they will be destroyed. So I advise you, American, don't touch it. You Israelian, they must be stubborn. They must do their foolishness so that they will be destroyed, and that is really sooner. That is about Iranian. You American, you will never defeat Iranian. You are tired to fight against them, but they're always there. And there is someone to put them there to accomplish the words that is already declared. Russia must be with them. And it's really Russia who must protect them. And that Iranian, it's like the heart of Russia. The heart of Russia. So how will it touch the heart of Russia? You American, here I have spoken. You will never defeat them. I advise you, American, get away from them. If you don't want to be defeated by them, if you don't want to be destroyed by them, get away from them. That is the first declaration. Second declaration. As a declaration, all you hear, it's all declarations, because there are many things that I'm going to speak here, and I remind you all times it's a declaration. It's about what will happen to Israel and it's their leader. What will happen to you, Israel? Your leader will be dead. Iranian will kill your leader. I have spoken to, I have told you, there is time, and it's time that there's nothing to do anymore. The end time, and get ready, the leader of Israel and all leaders in Israel, and mainly the one who led the war, that you will be killed by Iranian. That is the end. That is the second declaration. Third declaration, there are many, and I must check it, about the war in Cuba. You must fight against Cuban, you American. That your leader will be dead in Cuba, you American. and the war between America and Russia will be open there. Call your God to stop my words if they can, but that is your end. And American will be messed up during that war. It's really a major messing up in America because of that situation. There is the third declaration. You American, if you can hear that, you should think you cannot do anything anymore. Your leader, he really did his foolishness. He did listen to the words that we gave him. So just let's forget it. Be aware, those who are listening to me. Fourth declaration about the war of Russia and America, because it continues. Those words must be accomplished. The war in Cuba leads the war between Russia and America, to show that it's always what Elia spoke, that it must be Russia who will reign on this planet Earth, because he is called the best and he must rise and stand, and Russia must be got out of his place. About the war between Russia and America and Cuba, and you must go there, America, you must go there, and you must fight there, and you must fight against between you and Russia. So that is the words. Call your God to solve that if he can, if they can. That's why you are put there, American. You must do that because it's time for your end. And we show you, you will never defeat Russia. Never. So how many declarations now? Is the fifth declaration. It's that war. That is a moment to make Russia get out of his place. I emphasize that I have spoken. That war in Cuba, Russia must get out, that he must fight because he doesn't accept to get out. And I make you out, Russia, and you will be shown, you who had hidden for a long time. You pretended to be damned for a long time, and you will show, we will show that you are the beast for a long time. All about you will be shown, and you cannot hide your personality anymore. All about you will be seen in a public way. That is the words of Elia from YAHOSHUAH, from beloved Father YAHVAH. So where we are, sixth declaration. NATO will be disappeared, and of course democracy is meaningless as well. It's been a long time that I have declared that, but I emphasize. There are many people have heard that around the world, but Elia emphasizes his words. Those are going to happen, and you will see, to remove NATO and to remove democracy as well. Dictator will be there. It's not now that I say that, but it's been a long time, about many years ago, and I emphasize it's time to accomplish that. Call your God, call Jesus, call Allah, call Ganesh, call Buddha, and all of your God to solve the words of Elia if they can. To go against the words of Elia if they can, and call of your armies if they can go against the words of Elia. Call them. how many declarations? Seventh declarations. The United Nations location will be moved, and it must be moved to Russia. There is a place that they can meet in Russia. In Russia, the United Nations will be moved there in Russia, and it will be moved sooner, in a hurry, and quickly. The next declaration, eighth declaration. Extraterrestrials will be seen in a public way, and they must come down, and you will see they bring danger for you, not good things for you, for all of you humans around the world. And you will see the next of the words, but I declare it one by one, that all of you can remember that well. Next declaration is the ninth declaration. All airplanes, they cannot fly anymore, and all ship cannot travel or move on waters anymore, through waters. Even captains, all pilots, they don't dare fly on an airplane anymore, because all airplanes will be crashed, and all ship will travel through water, will be disappeared, and people will not dare to sail a ship anymore. It's a foolishness for the people who will dare. Call your God to solve that. Your wisdom, if that will begin, don't get out of your country anymore, in case you will be disappeared, that you cannot move anymore when that will be accomplished, and that is sooner. The next declaration, 10th declaration. The temperature of the earth will be increased. It's not what you have seen. It's not about greenhouse effect that increases the temperature of your earth. It's not about the gas from all of your factory that increases the temperature of the earth. Not that the temperature of the earth will be increased, and it will be really increased. There is nothing to cool down your planet Earth, because there is no sea and that coffin. So you don't know that. It's the heaven of heaven who knows that. Those forces to cool down your planet Earth will be removed, and all ice, those will be melted, and your planet Earth will be burnt. Herbs, forests, trees will be burnt. That is the end of your story. Next declaration, 11th declaration. All countries will be splitted, and their many cities will be swallowed. And it's not one country will be splitted, but there are many countries will be splitted, and there are many people will be dead, and there are many houses and cities will be swallowed. That danger is waiting for you. The word of Elia, declaration of Elia. The 12th declaration. Thunder will chase you. Even there is no rain, you will be chased by the thunder. But you can notice thunder that will raining. But what will you see? A thunder without rain, they will persecute you. They will chase you at the day. And even above there, they will revenge. They will take revenge. 13th declaration. The hell will fall down on you. You have seen the hell that has the sides 12 centimeters, but the hell that will weigh 43 kilograms will fall down on your head. Call your God to go against that. Call Jesus, call Allah, call Buddha, call Ganesh. call Brahma, call Vishnu to solve those problems. And if you know that you cannot solve the problem anymore, call Elia. Next declaration. 14th declaration. All animals will come up. They will get out of the forest. I don't tell you the reason, but brainstorm about that reason. But if you followed my declaration, automatically you know that animals will rise up. And they will attack humans. And they are so mean. And it's been a long time that I have told that. But I emphasize in one declaration so that all of this world will hear that. Before, it's always the people in the Holy Kingdom of YAHOSHUAH who hear that. But today, it's really for you who are arrogant. You who don't accept to listen. You underestimate. It's particularly for you, these words. And call your God if they can solve this. And if they cannot, that everything frighten you, call Elia. But I will bring you to the one who sent me if you accept the truth. Remember, you are a herb. You are nothing. You are easy to be burned like a worm and maggot. Next declaration. 15th declaration. Pestilences that cannot be cured will be spread over this world. Doctor will never find the medicine. It's really a weird sickness, a weird disease. And those who touch it, they will be dead the first. And the more you touch it, the more it become killer. And what to do? Come back to the God you underestimated. Come back to the God who said never sin. He hates sins because he sinned everything I told you. Those are from him. But if you don't want to come back to him, get ready for everything I have been telling you. But those will chase you. Those will strike you. The destroyer is going to you. Next declaration. 16th declaration. It's time to make you out of your place, Russia. As I have been telling earlier. And the one who will make that, I send you to do that. That is an order who must do that work. Make Russia get out of his place. To accomplish the word, he will be pulled out by the hook, by his hook, and pull him by his hook so that he can get out. I order, make Russia get out. Next declaration, 17th declaration. Starving, famine will be there. And you will never support that all humans around the world. That you will accomplish the words. 2 of the third of you will be dead. Just 1/3 will be left. That is entering out of that declaration. Those dangers for this planet Earth. You didn't care. The truth is told to you, but you didn't care. You didn't listen to. So you deserve the danger. And take it. Don't mumble. Call the God who made you arrogant, who made you underestimated. But call them. But if you know you cannot solve it anymore, call Elia. Next declaration, 18th declaration. Your planet Earth will be drunkard. And even your planet Earth, there where you live, is drunkard. And how about you? And let me say, what happened why he's drunk, you don't care about that. But if you listen to the words of your God who created you, the God of Abraham, because you didn't listen to me, and there is no answer for you, I don't give you the answer. But if you feel you always have a headache and the doctors cannot heal it anymore, if you feel that there is no one who can heal your headache on this planet Earth, because how can you heal that you are always drunk non-stop, and call Elia after. Next declaration, 19th declaration. All humans around the world will fight each other. So it's better for you not to wander anymore. That the other nations will go to the other nations, they will be struggled. It's not good to go to another country anymore, those who are different. But you will fight against each other sooner. If you thought about what I have been speaking, it's getting to that situation. The whites see the danger and they keep shelter, but the fool keep going and they face the consequences. The last 20th declaration. All people, most of people around the world, they will become Muslims, and all churches around the world will become Muslims. Obviously, the words of Elia is going to be accomplished. Just three of the church will be established on this planet Earth: Muslims, Roman Catholics, and the kingdom of YAHOSHUAH. Those are the church that can be established on this planet Earth who left. And all humans will become Muslims. And you must do that. The words of Elia. And all Muslims will kill the people who don't accept to be Muslims. That is the declaration of Elia. All of you, think about my words. Go against my words. If your God is God, the real God, go against the words of Elia. But if you see your God cannot go against it, call Elia. If YAHVAH is the God, follow him. But if he is not the God according to you, always serve your God. And we will see what will happen next. But if you see that the anger of the Most High, you cannot support it anymore. The God of Abraham, YAHVAH is his name, and you will be afraid to die. And I tell you, don't be afraid of the death. Fear the one who can throw you in hell. So if you cannot support the problem that is happening to you anymore because of the danger that is happening around the world, call Elia. But if you call Elia, you will see your real creator. The God of Abraham, YAHVAH is his name. And his beloved son, YAHOSHUAH, is his name. Measure the power of your God. Where is the power of your God? I'm waiting for your power of your God. Call your God and wake them up to solve the problem that Elia has been declaring. Wake up your God. Get up your God. Maybe they are sleeping, maybe they are praying. Wake them up and tell them to go against to the words of Elia. And if you see that you cannot go against to the words of Elia, follow the God of Abraham. Come to Elia. That is the end of the declaration of Elia. Let's pray. You who are still listening to me till now, thank you very much, beloved Father YAHVAH. Thank you very much for the declaration that you gave me. Glory be to the Creator who created everything that is sin, that is not sin. Those things are from you. Bless the declaration. Emphasize the accomplishment of the word, so that people around the world will see you were the God of Abraham that was shown at the time you went here on this planet Earth, and you were known as the God of Abraham, but you were the God of the heaven of heaven, the God of Elia. Justify the words, accomplish them in a hurry. Glory be to beloved Father YAHVAH. In your name, YAHOSHUAH, that I make all words and prayers. Amen. That is our moment for today. See you next time.